The centre, which was keen on amending key green laws as early as second half of the budget session, will now reportedly adopt a slower and more studied approach. This shift in pace comes after the opposition from various state governments at a two-day conference of states, environment and foreign ministers. My colleague Ketki Angre has this report.
Keen to bring amendments to key green laws as early as the second half of the budget session, the government's ambitious umbrella environment bill has been stalled after opposition from different state governments at its two-day conference.
What will be the next step?
TSR Subramaniam Committee is one input. Many states have given their suggestion, that is another input. We are considering all inputs and will present a comprehensive law which may take little time.
Sources have told NDTV a number of states have expressed their reservations on different aspects of the Subramaniam Committee report. The recommendations give overriding powers to the centre, leaving very little role of states. Some feel if national and state-level environment management authorities are set up for single-window clearances, states will have no say in them, since the appointment will be at the centre's discretion only. Unclear definition of forest, states feel, will impinge on their authority. Other objections raised by states revolve around withdrawal of Gram Sabha consent and dilution of public hearings.
जो हमारी 12,000 वन पंचायतें हैं पर्वतीय क्षेत्र में, उसका उल्लेख नहीं है। ग्राम सभाएं हैं और उनको जो अधिकार थे वन क्षेत्र में उनको अधिकार समाप्त हो रहा है.
We have also put in our recommendations. We have said we agree with this, we agree to some extent with this, we don't agree with this. And I'm sure it's a process of exchange and dialogue, because ultimately, you see, recommendations are recommendations. They will be debated, they will be deliberated.
Once bitten, twice shy. For a government that's already burnt its fingers with the land bill, it seems that changes in the green laws will not be accelerated just yet, especially given the opposition it's received from different states.
In New Delhi, with Ridesh Joshi, Ketki Angre for NDTV.